Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to get a vidIQ discount coupon code. If you've been searching for a vidIQ promo code, you've come to the right place. Here, I will guide you on how to get up to 99% discount on vidIQ. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more discounts and coupon codes. Now, let's begin. Normally, vidIQ costs $10 per month for the Pro plan and $49 per month for the Boost plan, but you can get it for just $1 for the Pro package and $4.90 for the Boost package using the link I've added in the description box. To get up to 99% discount on vidIQ, first of all, click on the link in the description box below. You can only get the discount through this special link. After clicking the link, click the Sign Up for Free button and create a new account using your Google account. After creating a vidIQ account, choose the YouTube channel you want to connect to vidIQ. Once the vidIQ account is ready, click on the Upgrade menu at the top right of the screen. You'll see a page with different packages. Select a monthly plan and choose either the Boost or Pro package. After selecting your plan, click on Add Promo Code. Enter the code NewTuber and then click Apply. You'll see the subscription price drop from $49 to just $4.90. Lastly, enter your payment details and click on the Subscribe and Pay button to grab the discount.